April 10th, 1912. The Titanic, the largest ship ever built, set sail on her maiden voyage, hailed as Unsinkable. A marvel of engineering, luxury, and ambition. Over 2,200 passengers and crew were on board, experiencing opulent dining rooms, grand staircases, and every luxury imaginable at the time. From Southampton, England, Titanic began her journey across the Atlantic, bound for New York. Crowds cheered as the massive ship sailed into history. Life on the Titanic was a spectacle. Passengers dined, danced, and explored the floating palace, confident in the ship's legendary safety. But as the Titanic sailed into the icy North Atlantic, warnings of drifting icebergs reached the bridge. Despite this, she maintained full speed, proud and confident. Messages warned of danger, but the ship pressed on. Overconfidence in the Titanic's engineering would soon prove tragic. Late on the night of April 14th, the Titanic struck a massive iceberg. The collision ripped open her hull, flooding compartments in minutes. Passengers realized the danger as the ship tilted. Crew rushed to assess damage, and panic began to spread among those onboard. Distress calls were sent to nearby ships. Signals radiated into the night, carrying the desperate hope of survival across the Atlantic. With lifeboats insufficient for all, women and children were prioritized, while others struggled to secure a place in the freezing waters. Titanic's mighty structure groaned as water surged into compartments. The ship, once thought unsinkable, was beginning to vanish beneath the waves. At 2:20 a.m. on April 15th, Titanic slipped beneath the Atlantic at coordinates 41 degrees 43 minutes north, 49 degrees 56 minutes west, taking over 1,500 lives with her. Some survived in lifeboats, rescued by the RMS Carpathia. Their accounts painted a harrowing picture of heroism, fear, and tragedy. The disaster shocked the world. Headlines told of lost lives, shattered dreams, and a tragedy that would change maritime travel forever. Investigations revealed critical errors, excessive speed, overlooked warnings, and insufficient lifeboats. Lessons were learned the hard way. Titanic became a legend, inspiring books, films, and endless fascination with her story over a century later. Even today, Titanic's ghostly image floats in the collective memory, a haunting symbol of human ambition and nature's power. The tragedy led to international maritime safety protocols, ensuring that such a disaster could never happen the same way again. We remember those who perished in the icy waters of the North Atlantic, honoring their memory over a century later. Titanic's story is more than a shipwreck. It is a tale of pride, tragedy, and enduring lessons for generations to come.